Here's the incorrect way of doing your dishes. When you see foam and bubbles like this, you fucked up. I used Palmolive Aroma Dishwashing Concentrated Liquid. I put it in here and I put it in here. Perhaps that was my mistake. Otherwise I would not have all this foamy stuff over here. But what's cool about this stuff is, check this out. Whoa. Whoa. Kind of like blow it. Did you get that? Did you get that? Yeah. Not too bad. Wow. It's pretty bad in the back. Kind of foamy there. Well, that's cool. Well, at least it's clean. Alright? Alright? It's clean. And that's pretty much it. Alright, see you later, fuck faces.